Is that Cory?
Left feet, calm down, mate.
Are you bleeding? Have you still got feelings? And you're not hurt? There is no thing such as pain. My weapon is my friend. Yeah?
Anybody that's believing, can you just stick your hand up for 2 seconds so I can stand up? Anybody that's believing? Right, that's quick, kid.
That must be that thing where you hear.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where you put that thing on?
Yeah. So our lad, I can see that go. You want to stay look at that smarter, don't you?
So that's all on screen, mate. What have to chat?
Right, mate, just taking a quick look at this gun.
No worries, isn't it?
Are you having that here, Cory?
It's quite a fancy one, mate. I think I'll get one when we watch it.
Oh, look at that. It's a bolt
Nice,
action.
isn't it? I pull, mate.
Shoot your meat in the nuts with it.
It's no different between the metal and nuts there. It's their plastic, it's crap one, yeah, it's their metal, it's the warrior body, which is the good body.
How much is this one? How much?
Them to buy, you're looking, what are they, 170? Yeah, 169.99 when they first came out. You can't like looking all shit.
You better probably not still pay that for it.
Look on forum,
Right. But you still probably pay what they are brand new for it because you can't get them.
yeah.
It looks a decent build, doesn't it? That?
Is a 01.
Yeah.
About 120.
Yeah, mate, go for it, you find it, man.
A lot of the time the 121s don't come with a scope or anything.
Right.
Someone who can wait and get one scope, you get those, you get barcode.
So I was looking at the 410 as well.
Bar 10's very good. The Sears very good.
don't know what Sears are.
So you lined up?
Basically,
Yeah.
They're going to get a technical.
See, it was in with the rifle.
on the trigger,
Yeah.
you've got 3 Sears as it's called. One holds the spring guy, one locks it back when you stop it, and the other one skips it to make it fire. They wank on the bar 10s, the standard ones. They do, but it's called bump firing, which means when you stop it back, it doesn't lock, it shoots forward again, and it just constantly like bangs it back forward. You get one that's already been sorted, you're not getting your uncle winner. But easy enough to sort out, even kit radio.
I don't know. No, from me, but I know it's expensive. You're not selling it. When I don't want to run about, I just hide myself in a corner. Oh, yeah.
When it gets to about this time in the afternoon, I think it's time for one of them, isn't it? When they lie down somewhere.
Fucking mint, isn't it? Proper. That's how I feel. Very bad.
Debbie?
Recording, that is.
I say you got your tripod at home. Half the time I don't use my tripod.
Oh, your bipod thing on the bottom.
Yeah, I don't bother using mine off. Because it's carrying it up on the
Yeah.
intense. It's like that, I like to mix it round.
Isn't it just?
Oh, when you have some fun, and you're like there, you see your target, you know the 4 yellow ones, you know your round thing at top, I can shoot through it. You're right. So it's just right.
How far is that accurate for then?
4! I'll go about, what was it, 50 metres that garden. And all like that.
You shoot the dinner plate then at 50 metres.
Straight through, no problem. And like that.
Smaller, a bit short. You can tell it's thick, put it that way. But they are a good club. Yeah.
Tell you what, my little Lim, when these come down, I'll sort my
I think the bars are a little bit easier to upgrade as well, because when you get it, you don't do, like the limit on those is 500 FPS. When you buy them, depending on which one you buy, if you buy one of them, it'll come out about 400. There's another 100 FPS that you can play around with.
Yeah.
Right then, gents, you get your kits there, please, yellows and green.
Lots further distance and power out, so you might spend by the court to get the case and everything, and you put another or 0 trigger with the equipment, but you can spend just as much again on the bits that go inside. Yeah, taking a break.
I could see my bank account getting lost.
That's good, it's proper.
6 wheels proper and all, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
Okay. The house of BB. That already guys, this is this BB structure. That's how
There's the money. Oh, right. So that's pulling metal and it's weight. It's all in these, yeah.
It says 50 metres to a dinner plate. Which we ain't playing off that distance here, are we? Yeah.
This would catch the fish, innit? You've got to get somewhere, sit there. And
I like the idea though. I don't know, just lying there and waiting. Yeah, that makes sense. Some hand cannon. This one has a look, it's called a mini export, and it's 18 inches long, and the other it's got the same body as that, the same power, but the unit is.
Go on then, lads, outside, please.
What?